Hello, welcome to College Mathematics Math 300 for the College of Natural Health Sciences, Bermuda. My name is Carol Burrows and I'm your professor, and this is the Module 1 Midterm Exam Tutorial. The Module 1 Midterm Exam will consist of 10 multiple choice questions. Students will be tested on the following competencies: definition of mathematics, how complementary health practitioners utilize mathematical skills, definition of the metric system, basic arithmetic, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. The cognitive processes involved to solve algebraic equations. Metric system conversions. Definition of an algebraic expression. Solve for x and calculate the value of x and y. Here is an example of a metric conversion that you'll be asked to calculate on the exam. We know that the metric system is based on units of 10. 320 grams is equal to A, 320,000 grams, B, 320,000 milligrams, C, 320,000 kilograms, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is B, because 1,000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram. We have 320 grams, so if we multiply 320 grams by 1,000, we get 320,000 milligrams. Here's an example of solving for x. The linear equation is 27x plus 84 plus 15 equals 234. In order to solve for x, you must isolate x on the left-hand side of the equal sign so that everything on the right-hand side will be equal to x. We begin by moving all the numbers on the left-hand side of the equation that are independent of x to the right-hand side. So the plus 84 and plus 15 on the left-hand side now become minus 84 and minus 15 on the right-hand side. So that gives us 27x equals 234 minus 84 minus 15. The result of that function gives us 27x equals 135, because 234 minus 84 minus 15 gives us 135. We can now isolate x. Whereas 27 is a multiple on the left-hand side, it now becomes a dividend on the right-hand side. So that gives us x equals 135 divided by 27. 135 divided by 27 gives us 5. So our answer is x equals 5. In order to check our answer, what we can do is substitute x for 5 in the equation. 27 times 5 plus 84 plus 15 gives us a result of 234. We have successfully solved for x. Here's an example of solving for x and y, two variables. If 180x minus 200y equals 3,000, what is the value of x and y? You have four choices. A, x equals 12, y equals 8. B, x equals 6, y equals 14. C, x equals 0, y equals 10. D, x equals 20, y equals 3. D is the correct answer. because when we insert x equals 20 and y equals 3, we get the right answer. If we look below, we can see that if we have 180 times 20, we get 3,600. If we have 200 times 3, we get 600. 3,600 minus 600 equals 3,000. Here we solve for x and y using deductive reasoning. We solve for x and y by utilizing deductive reasoning computation skills. We've reached the end of this short tutorial. I wish you all the best in your upcoming exam. I'm sure you do very well. Don't forget to bring your calculator. I'll see you in our next lecture.